This is terrifying. Oh no!
Oh!
Jimmy just got a hit on this. I'm definitely taking this one.
How much you to bet you're gonna get hit?
I'm feeling lucky.
Oh my God!
Is that nacho cheese? Does anyone want to switch with me?
I'm staying right here.
Yeah, I definitely think it's at where Darius
I think it's
is.
on Mez.
It's definitely Darius.
Oh gosh.
Subscribe if you think Madge will get hit. Like if you think Chandler will.
No. That's definitely the worst one.
Chandler